Murat, in the past couple of months, I think nearly 6 months already, we've been working on the Innovation Forum, and during that journey several people asked me, why are you organizing an Innovation Forum? What would be your answer?
That's a good question. I would say that there's an innovation aspect into almost every single project that we are doing, in every single thing that we are providing to our members. So at a certain point we just thought that having a dedicated focused project on innovation was basically the right answer. You know, the innovation can mean different things. We are seeing innovation in materials, innovation in application, innovation in many different ways. So this is why we just thought that it was the right things to do for our members.
I couldn't agree more, because I've also learned through reading and listening to people about it, it's essential for today's business, not only today, also in the past. You need to innovate to assure the continuity of your business.
I would like now to come back maybe to revert to you with another question is, you know, defining innovation is quite a challenge, and there's also this IP question. What can be revealed? What should be kept for the organization as it's like something unique that they need to keep for themselves? So what would be your answer towards that?
We thought about that a great deal, because indeed it's a question often asked. My straight answer is, innovation is not only about the end result, the deliverable, which is the IP. It's about the process, how everybody in the company gets involved, feels the responsibility, contributes, and that is what we want to convey also in the conference, and not convey the message but also give examples about how companies have done it in the past and how experts advise us to do it today, without revealing any IP. And of course it's also up to the speaker always what they want to share or not, but I reassure to all speakers, no need to talk about any proprietary know-how. Thank you.
I've seen the program, and I really look forward to seeing the people presenting.
Thank you. Me too.